Hello and welcome to iMaps. We've already finished almost most of the uh, modules, and we're gonna go through the billing module here. The billing module here is pretty simple. We're gonna get the invoice payables, and that's what you're gonna be paying to your actual subcontractors. As you can see here, the second you open that, you're gonna have a list of bills that will come in. So the bill will come in with all the backup that you have and with notes, okay to pay or not, with all the information that you need. The beauty in that system is that all those invoices will enter into your system through the vendor posting it directly into the system. So I'm going to show you something here. Under administration, if you remember, if you can go to accounts management and under user, new vendor user, you're able to create a new vendor which should be part of the vendor here. You can create a username for the vendor where you can go and upload automatically his invoices. Then you can go to the billing, invoice payables, you'll see the invoice, and you'll actually update whether it's paid or not, review it, approve it or not. The beauty in that as well is when you go into the system here and you see it, uh, you see all the information on the invoice, you have all the other information, including the vendor claiming and progressing, which we've mentioned in the vendor section, to allow you to take the right decision and to see if you actually have the packing slip for that invoice and everything. Everything is online, everything is ready for you. Same thing if you go to invoice billables, you can see here all the billing that you've done to the client from the corporation, of course with the specific, if you have access to the specific projects. And you can see also here if it's been paid or not, so invoice received or not, which will also give you the cash flow for the specific project or the cash flow for the corporate as a whole, depending on your accesses. So just to explain a bit more about the accesses, because the billing, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. If I go in the actual administration section here and I go to account management, and let's say I go into any uh, employee within the company, you can see all those list of projects. So the second, and you have the role of the person, which let's say is account administrator. You can actually change the role of the person, but it's very important also to show you the permissions. So all those projects, everything that's unclicked is actually the employee doesn't have access to it. So to be able to add access, you just have to click update, and I just have to click in here, and I can actually choose the access for the project. Now I click demo project, let's say movie. I can click Edmonton Zoo project, and I can just click save, and here I am. I have all the information. Click update, it's up, and the person has access to it, and you can remove the access to the person as easy as it is. That will complete the billing and the actual access to the project module.